Every coin I launched brought me one step closer to this number, $978,000, all inside one wallet. You're about to see exactly how I set it up and how you can too. I used to chase every meme coin I saw trending, thinking I was early. But every time, someone else beat me to the top, the guy who launched it. That's when I made the switch. Launching puts you in full control. You set the price, the name, the image, and you're the first one holding. Instead of hoping for gains, I started creating my own coins. And once I saw how repeatable it was, trading felt like a waste of time. If you're done getting rugged and want real control, launching is the move. By the way, this video is made for educational purposes only. Do not copy me. Cap! Everyone knows about Pump.Fun, and that's exactly the problem. It's overcrowded. New coins drop by the hundreds every hour, and unless you hit the absolute perfect timing, your launch gets buried. But here's the unlock. Create tokens.fun is the best launchpad site on YouTube. When you launch on createtokens.fun, your token goes straight to Raydium. Instantly tradable, instantly listed, no bonding curve, no waiting to get visibility, and you have full control over the supply. This means better market exposure, faster trading, and way more trust from buyers. Because Raydium is where the serious plays live. Plus, you skip the flood of low-effort projects clogging Pump.Fun. Your coin actually gets seen. It's on the graduated section. I've made way more launching on createtokens.fun, and if you want a real shot at volume and at profit, that's where you need to be. Alright, let's break down how to make your meme coin on createtokens.fun. There are two ways to do it, and both are really easy. The first option is you build it from scratch. Pick a name, a symbol, and upload a logo that fits your theme. Funny, hype, whatever. Click next right here, you're done, it's your own original project. But here's the method I use to make real money. Go to copy trending coins tab on the site. This is where it gets crazy. They've already filtered a list of proven coins that are trending and working on Pump.Fun. All you have to do is pick one, copy it, relaunch it on Raydium, same name, same vibe, same hype, but now it's your coin. And because it's already getting traction, buyers recognize it fast and jump in early. This is the exact strategy I've been using for clean, repeatable flips, and it works really fucking well. Anyways, let's stop talking and actually launch something. I'm going with this one. It's sitting at $29,000 market cap and just had a last buy 5 seconds ago. That's enough signal for me. First thing, connect your wallet. Mine is already connected, but you know, it's that simple. Now hit create coin. A warning will pop up, totally fine. Smash through it and confirm. Boom, 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 boom. Give it a few seconds to mint. And boom, it's live. If I click on view on SoScan, you'll see it's fully on chain, verified and ready. Now come back here, now copy here and click on create liquidity pool. Now that the coin is live, it's time to add liquidity. This is what makes the coin tradable. And don't stress, this page is super simple. Your token and your Solana binds should be pre-selected automatically. If they're not, just pick them from the drop downs. Now for token A, hit 90% button. That puts 900 million coins into the pool. Under amount token B, enter the amount of Solana you're adding. So this is your initial buy-in. I usually go with 0.4 SOL. Looks legit and keeps it safe. And remember, this isn't money you're losing. You're the first buyer, so it's staying in your control. Click create pool. Go inside your Phantom wallet. And after that, confirm it in Phantom. Wait a few seconds, then refresh, and then go down a bit. And as you can see, the Raydium pool is fucking popped up. We're up $48 in profit. What? To check your profits though, simply just click on the refresh button. And boom, we're up 160 now. So this coin is really exponential. Click on view on Photon. And now the coin is live. As you can see, it's at the 11k market cap. It started at 5k. Now, okay, I don't know if it's like active or not. Okay, buyers are starting to come in. 180, 170, $14. That's not bad. Let's go. Okay, a bunch of volume is coming in. Oh my god, we're getting so many buyers are coming in. Oh my god. Come on. Okay, now guys, we have to look at the liquidity and the volume and at the makers, okay? These metrics are really important for the coin because, yeah, the market cap for us is kind of irrelevant. Oh, $50, not bad. Come on, push up. Okay, now guys, I might do a time lapse and come back to see where it's at. So yeah, bro, we're back. Guys, I'm back. It's been around 22 minutes to be exact. The coin is at a $30,000 market cap. I'm pretty sure it went higher than before. When we left off, it was at around, I think, 15 to 25,000. I'm not sure what range, but yeah, now the coin is dead. People are holding the coin for long-term profits, but we're gonna remove some liquidity. So come back to createtokens.fun, and then we're gonna refresh right here to see how much we're up. $1,400. Now click on the minus button, and here you can choose how much liquidity you want to remove. It's totally up to you. If you're greedy and you just want to move on to other coins, just do 100%. But I still believe in the project, so I'm gonna do around 29%. Remove liquidity. Your phantom should pop up. And as you can see here, we're going to receive 4 Solana in our wallet directly, and then just click on confirm, and boom, that's exactly how you print money out of thin air by launching coins. And if you want to remove the rest, just do it again. And if you want to, oh yeah, I'm gonna open my Phantom wallet. Yes sir, 4.1 so is in my wallet, so it actually works. You can actually print money from doing this. Please like, comment, subscribe to support the channel, and yeah, peace.